Are you a teacher, faculty or professor or anyone from a teaching fraternity, and are you looking to get updated with the latest technology? If yes, Kongunadu College of Engineering and Technology, Trichy and Foursteps Training Solutions, Chennai have come up with an amazing 10-day artificial intelligence faculty development program. Now in this workshop or in this course, what you will learn is you will learn artificial intelligence from basic to advanced by implementing real-time projects. And the best thing is, after the 10 days, you yourself will be able to implement, or you can do this 10 projects in real time. Now this is a combination of live and pre-recorded session, and also every day we have live webinars where we're going to help you to solve your questions and query. Not just that, at the end of 10th day we're going to have an amazing quiz where you have chances to win exciting cash prizes, and we're going to have some top scientists and experts who are going to come and share their experience and gonna show some real-time projects for you guys. So don't miss this opportunity. This is going to be amazing learning, and there's gifts on every day of webinar as well. So don't miss this opportunity. Just click on the link below and be a part of this. So this course will also give you a platform for you to decide on your on your PhD work or on your research as well. So let's create a biggest community where faculties are getting trained on artificial intelligence, and let's make changes everywhere. So this is a biggest attempt to bring in all the faculties and professors together. So click on the link below and register right now. We will see you inside.